a beta. If you want to start racing, I think that this is the perfect way to do it. You get a Meteor65 Pro, and this is going to be the best drone for you to start indoor flying and indoor racing with. I've modified mine a bit, but in the footage today you're going to get to see just the stock BetaFPV 65 Meteor Pro, and that's what I flew in today's race. It's the first time, it's the maiden flight of me flying this drone in its stock forms. It's my third time ever racing, and I think that the colors looked great, the video looked great. The camera is a little bit blurry. I don't know, the camera came a little bit blurry. What can I say? BetaFPV, send clear cameras, please. Because I can't figure out how to, like, it seems like the camera's kind of glued in place, so I can't adjust it. The way that it flew, not perfect. That's FPV. It's all about like tinkering and messing around. There was nothing really wrong with it. It's just I could feel the extra, you know, couple grams of weight from everything. If I was a beginner the first time flying, the experience was pretty great. It's just I could feel the extra couple grams. When I modified it, and I did this all on a stream, you can find the stream and see it. But basically what I did was I cut the BT2 connector. I ripped off the back part of it and resoldered it on so that it's pointing that way, and made it just long enough for the battery to fit in. I took a little bit of elastic and just tied the antenna there. I got a 3D print off Thingiverse for, you just look up Mobula 6 canopies and stuff and you can find this one. This one was from a Speedy Pizza canopy or something, but it's a little bit lighter than the actual canopy that it came with. And when I did the change, I messed up the VTX, so I switched to a different VTX, but the VTX it was with was fine. I took off all the motor plugs and I direct soldered, and I took out all the inner screws, and it flies perfectly fine, and I really like the way that it flies like this. Basically the best drone that you can buy for indoor or racing to start, because when you buy one of these, it's around $119 American or $109, I forget. You get the drone, you get a really nice case. This is like my favorite case out of all the cases I've ever got for drones. You get this charger, and the charger basically takes USB-C power, and you can charge up 2 of these guys at a time. And there'll be a little red light while it's charging and a little green light when it works. Also, one of them has a tester, so if you want to test your batteries, it's very easy to just stick your battery in and see what the voltage is. That is awesome because it's just so easy to just, oh, is it at storage? And guess what? It is at storage because I take good care of my batteries. It comes with 2 batteries. I would suggest getting this drone and then just getting one of the packs of the 8 batteries. And these batteries, they're not the best, but they're not the worst. They're definitely better than the ones that Happy Model sends you. It's a great way to start. I really think that that's the best way that you can start with indoor flying. And then at the end of this video, I'll link to a video that I made for people that just want to start, the best way for them to start. Basically, like the cheapest and highest quality things that you can get to start flying FPV for under $500. And the drone that is in that video, you could just substitute with this one and you'd be fine. If you wanted to have more of an outdoor experience, then you would want to use the one suggested in that video, which is actually the 85. The first flight footage in the race is this drone all stock setup. And then the video after that, you're going to see the way that this flies in this kind of setup. And the camera is a little bit blurry, but when you see it flying, notice like when it flips and stuff, when it catches itself, it's smooth. Like you don't see as much the weight being lugged around. So I really like the way that this is. Taking off the plugs, direct soldering them, and just cutting some weight out does make a big difference. All the extra informative information I'm trying to add, and if you get value out of this, please smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be my first Patreon, I'd love you forever.
I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's
someone
go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quiet. quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. Shh. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into. I got nothing to lose, so you better watch out, can't predict my moves. I'll make you irrelevant, I don't stop till I'm at the top settling. I live here like a local resident, and you know I ain't selling it.
I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take out, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross.
Round two, I gotta screw loose. I'll work all night if it's what I gotta do. Who needs sleep when the caffeine's brewed? I don't fatigue, I just have to move. I don't work with others, they just slow me down and my progress suffers. It's not you, it's me, but really I just work much better when I'm free. I don't do things for the hell of it, I do things that I do for the benefit. I make moves that'll make me relevant. I've been telling them, you just gotta work hard, play hard, punch that race card, move fast, take charge, do that, make hard, move past fake cards, lose that hate card, and never give up when the gun goes race start.
I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take out, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross.
I don't do things for the hell of it, I do things that I do for the benefit. I make moves that'll make me relevant. I've been telling them, you just gotta work hard, play hard, punch that race card, move fast, take charge, do that, make hard, move past fake cards, lose that hate card, and never give up when the gun goes race start.
I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross. I won't stop, I'm here to get what I want. I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take out, I'll overpower any boss. Cause I am not someone that you would wanna cross.